Hey guys, what's happening? How Google Shopping works, everything you need to know. Google Shopping works by letting retailers submit product info, like images, prices, descriptions, via Google Merchant Center, which Google's algorithm matches to users' searches for relevant ads on search, YouTube, etc. So if we are searching for, let's say, headphones, I'm going to just filter my search to shopping. Okay, inside shopping, you're going to see the product provided by Google, right? Users click these visual ads with product, image, price, brand to go to the retailer's site or browse more within Google Shopping with options for organic listing and dynamic filtering for better discovery, all powered by the retailer's product feeds and bidding strategies in Google Ads. So if you are a shopper, you're going to search for a product like headphones, and the relevant ads appear, and you're going to see, of course, the organic listing. You also see free organic listings from merchants who submit product data, and you can filter out, like, if depending on your budget, if you have a budget under $100, you're going to just go ahead and hit under like 100 right here, Saudi Arabian Riyal, and change, of course, your budgeting, right? So as you can see right here, I filter it to under $100, right? And of course, you can go ahead and click to buy this product, right? If it's within your budget, right? And it will take you to the retailer's website to complete the purchase. But if you're a retailer, right, and how it works behind the scenes, if you want to know how it works behind the scenes, you submit a product feed, you upload a detailed file or product feed with titles, descriptions, images, prices, etc. to Google Merchant Center, right? And you manage ads and bids through Google Ads campaigns, and Google's algorithm matches your feed data to user searches, showing your products in the ads and listings, and you pay for clicks, cost per click, or sometimes for sales, cost per sale, depending on your campaign type. And your product info stays current as your feed updates automatically with changes on your site. So, few key components here, right? Google Merchant Center is the hub for managing your product information, right? So let's put a face to the name, right? And just type right here, or press Google Merchant Center. You'll be directed inside the Google Merchant Center. As you can see right here, it says your current account doesn't have access to any Merchant Center account, but if you're eligible, you can just go ahead and add your product. The product feeds, the data files containing your product details. Google Ads, where you control your paid campaigns and choose exactly how you would like to receive your profit, right? Or how would you like to charge, okay? The shopping graph, Google's system that connects products, user searches, and seller data, all right? So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.